The BIN2DEC function. BIN2DEC means binary to decimal. So this function converts a binary number to decimal. The input number must contain zeros and ones only. Negative numbers are represented using 2's complement notation. So the syntax is equal BIN2DEC, that's the binary number you are considering, in the bracket. The binary number has a limit of 10 characters. If it is more than 10, it throws up an error. We'll see in the table above. Now, this table contains binary number, some binary numbers, and the decimal equivalent. And this is the formula generating this decimal equivalent. So binary number contains zeros and ones only. So it's 0. If you have 0 here and you put your BIN2DEC formula and refer to C4, you have your decimal equivalent, which is 1. This also gives 1. 1 and 0 is 2 in decimal. 1 is 3, and 1 in 9 places is 511. That is the max that you can have in this binary to decimal function. So the negative starts from here, and if the characters are more than 10, it throws this error. So this runs, let me check the number of runs we have here using the len formula and refer to this. So we have 11 characters here. That's why we have this error. Don't forget, we can only have less than 11, that is 1 to 10. So that is that about this binary to decimal function. You can make use of this, and if there's any question, please ask. Thank you for your time on this function. See you again in the next lesson.